There is a definite buzz about both the metaverse and NFTs at the moment. This is likely to continue for some time in the future as more people get involved with the metaverse and purchase unique digital assets in the form of NFTs. There is a good opportunity for you to use NFTs in the metaverse to make money, but it is critical that your mindset is right and that you develop the necessary skills to be able to earn money with unique assets. You need to learn what the metaverse is and what it isn't. You need to understand what NFTs are and why they are so important for the growth of the metaverse. You need to know about profiting from NFTs in the metaverse and learn proven strategies that are already working for others and can work for you too. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will learn what the metaverse is and what it isn't. You will understand what NFTs are and why they are so important for the growth of the metaverse. You will know ideas for NFT applications and various ways that you can make a profit from the metaverse and NFTs. You will learn proven strategies that are already working for others and can work for you too. You will learn to make money with NFTs in the metaverse, plus a whole lot more. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. This is how you earn money with unique assets. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. What is the metaverse? NFTs and why they are so popular. How the metaverse will change the world. Potential business applications for the metaverse. How NFTs will shape the metaverse. The NFT projects shaping the metaverse. How to make money with NFTs in the metaverse. How to create your own NFT metaverse. Metaverse NFT best practices, plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to earn money with unique assets. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know what the metaverse is and what it isn't. You want to understand what NFTs are and why they are so important for the growth of the metaverse. You want to know ideas for NFT applications and various ways that you can make a profit from the metaverse and NFTs. You want to know proven strategies that are already working for others and can work for you too. You want to know how to make money with NFTs in the metaverse, plus a whole lot more. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy-to-follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to earn money with unique assets, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm giving you up to 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment, no questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you earn money with unique assets. I'll see you on the inside.